All right. I'm smirking because I didn't plan for this at all. And I just checked in the fridge and there's barely any ingredients. But I thought I'd give it a go anyway, considering it's Mother's Day. Plus, it's quite nice just to boogie in the kitchen sometimes. I have no idea what I'm going to make. I think this may be the smallest cooking flow ever. But let's give it a go. I just wanted to cook with Billy. Billy's under my feet. I've made myself a cocktail. Alright, give it. Alright, okay, so when I said I really don't have that many things in the fridge, I really did mean I don't have that many things in the fridge. I wanted to make something very light, so I'm going to use these cos lettuce leaves, and I'm going to make, oh yes, garlic. I got the garlic ready before I knew what I was going to make, like, even if you just go like, it's a meal done. I won't use that one. So basically, I have cherry tomatoes, I have half a red onion, and I have a red pepper, and some cos leaves, and I might use this courgette for the Americans and the Greeks, zucchini, and some garlic. And I think I'm just going to make like a salsa-y thing with all of those beautiful red vegetables. I have a little bit of feta left over that I'm going to use, and I think I'm going to cook this with the garlic. Alright, so I am just chopping some of these cherry tomatoes, and I'm just gonna do like, not a dice, but just like cubed, you know, cubed. And that's gonna, ooh, something that I found in the fridge. These jammy dodgers, and these do qualify as a jammy dodger. So, these are sweet and spicy, and you can use this, the liquid, in dressings. I use this in dressings all the time. My mama taught me this trick. Delicious. And this, ooh, it matches. Yeah, it just kills me when I eat a fucking chili for no reason. Okay, I survived see what happens. That's working. All right, I'm going to salt and pepper that in a minute, and then I'm going to bung the garlic in a bit. I'm going to wait for the... Oh, look, there's... I'm going to wait a little bit more for the bits of brown. Wait. As a kid, I always used to put the garlic in first in the pan so that it would, like, waft this amazing garlic smell. Because I was like, yeah, that's the smell I want to be cooking with. However, you then end up burning it by the time that you eat it, and it's really bitter and not very yummy. So just hold off a little bit, keep that going, and then I'd say in a few hand jiggles time, I know that's really precise, I'll let you know when to bung it in. I bunged it in without telling you. It's all right. I put it in, bunged it in pretty much just after I hung up from our last video. It looks like this. I salted it. That went right in my eyes. I salted it and I put the garlic in. I'm just gonna let that cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna start plating up my cod's lettuce leaves and salsa thingy. I guess that's what it's called. I just ate that so quickly. That was so tasty, like so tasty. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's, well, I haven't done it in a while, but this week's small version of Cooking with Flo. Genuinely, if you have any of these ingredients in the fridge, that is such a quick, easy snack. And so tasty and so fresh, and has so many gorgeous vegetables in it. And I'm going to clean this off right now. Thank you though.